Okay, here we have a Milwaukee 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. It appears to be unused. It's in really good condition, and we have it powered up to show you that it does operate. And it has a light feature here, so we'll just click the lights on, as you can see. And just pull the trigger. It includes a 60-tooth blade, and also it has a digital angle finder, 45, 0. So it swivels back and forth very nicely. Also, there's your compound here. So all the functions on here appear to operate very nicely. Like I said, it's in really good condition. It was an open box item. Nothing wrong with it at all. It includes your dust chute and the dust collection bag. There's your owner operator's manual, parts manual. All your specs are in the listing. And we thank you for looking at our product.